guys, I hope you're having an awesome day. So we're going to get into a really cute little project. This is not going to be too fussy. This is going to be a really quick and easy project. And basically what we're going to be doing is creating customized napkin rings. And napkin rings can get pretty expensive. They range anywhere from like say $2 to $4. But we're going to be doing some really nice napkin rings. They're going to be done on the cheap, and we're going to be using the Dollar Tree silver plastic napkin rings. I love these. These are awesome because you get 6 of them in here. So this is amazing. I love buying these and stacking up on these. So if you have an event coming up and you don't want to spend a lot of money on napkin rings, you can make them yourself. And I'm going to be using some materials to do that. I'm going to make about 4 of them, and I'll probably speed the video up. There won't be any audio, just so this video is not too long. But the materials that I'm going to be using is going to be listed in the description box below as always. But just very quickly, I'm going to be using some mini mirrored tiles. I'm going to be using some of those. I'm also going to be using some glitter ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be using some rhinestone ribbon from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be using a couple of brooches, okay, to embellish my napkin rings with. I'm also going to be using some metallic mirrored vinyl from Cricut, okay. I'm going to be using some of that. I'm going to be using some, what is this, gemstone mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And of course the supplies that you need is a nice pair of small shears, and this is by Westcott. I love using these really tiny small shears because they're great for precision work. And you're going to need your hot glue gun, and I'm using Gorilla hot glue, okay. So that's what you'll need. I'm going to go ahead and get started. There won't be any audio. And yeah, so let's get into this DIY project. Okay guys, so here are the napkin rings that have been completed. This is one of the ones that we did, and I think we used, let me get a close-up on that. So I went ahead and used some rhinestone ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and then I believe that brooch, I'm not sure where I got the brooch from, it might be from eBay. Then the other one, I used some metallic mirrored vinyl, permanent vinyl from Cricut, and I used some of those gemstones from the Dollar Tree, gemstone ribbons, and then the brooch I believe is from Hobby Lobby. Another brooch from eBay I believe that I bought, and then right there on the side is some glitter. I use glitter ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And then the fourth one that I did is the mini mirrored, the little mini mirrors. And I cut off 2 rows and attached it to our napkin ring. Now these are gorgeous, guys. Can you see that? Absolutely gorgeous. And we did them with our Dollar Tree napkin rings. Okay, and here are some that I have recently completed that I did not do on video, but this one is using some metallic rose gold vinyl from Cricut with a rose gold brooch, and I believe I got that from totallydazzled.com. Another one, I am using some, I don't remember exactly where I got this trim from, but I may have got it from Joann's. And then I'm using some black diamond wrap with a brooch and some Cricut glitter, some Cricut vinyl that was glitter, permanent vinyl. And then I've got a little bit of gold, I have gold diamond wrap on it and a gold brooch that I think I got from eBay. So that's it, guys. This is just to give you an idea of where you could go with this. You could use so many different types of materials on these napkin rings and turn them into something completely different. So that's it, guys. All of these came out absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. You can customize them any way you want. You can use all different types of materials. It is just up to your own imagination. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, and as always, I will see you in the next DIY video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on social media. Click that buy me a coffee link. Guys, buy me a coffee. Okay, I've got that buy me a coffee link right up at the top. All right, and I will see you guys in the next DIY video. Take care. Bye-bye.